Hi everyone, I'm Chef Alina Z, and today we're making meatballs and pasta. And I asked a lot of my followers what it is that they want to learn to make so they don't feel guilty after eating the food. And one of the things that everybody wanted to make over was meatballs and pasta. So that's what we're making. We're gonna start with my favorite, yes, you guessed it, Beyond Meat, simply because it is much better for you. It is taking much less time to digest, so it gives you more energy. It is good for the environment and best for the animals, so it's kind of like win-win-win. So I'm just mashing it just like any ground meat. It looks pretty close to that, which is amazing. It's made out of peas. We're gonna put some garlic in, and I love the garlic press. So I put about a whole clove, but add as much as you like. Making this meatballs gluten-free, and usually meatballs call for bread. This is a burger bun, so this is like about a cup. You need about a cup of bread. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in small pieces, and then I'm gonna put it in water. I just have just plain water here in a bowl. It's okay if things are falling. We're not looking for perfection here. We're just looking for something that is yummy and easy. I'm going to add some parsley. Also chop it up finely. All right, we have our parsley. I like a lot of parsley in my recipes because it's so good for your kidneys. Okay, now we're gonna squeeze this bread and just add it to the mix. Squeeze the water in the bowl, obviously, not the one that you're gonna be putting with the rest of the stuff. Next, we're gonna add some plant-based Parmesan, and it is so good, and it's made by a company called Follow Your Heart. This is gonna be to add some extra flavor and to be our salt, because usually Parmesan is salty. I'm gonna add just a little tiny touch of salt, just a little bit. So I have about a half a pound of the meat and about a cup of the breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna need a piece of parchment paper. I have one ready here, and a small tray. Again, this is cooking for just me, so I'm making a small quantity. Obviously, if you're cooking for more people, make a bigger quantity. The meatballs are ready to go in the oven. 400 degrees, about 20 minutes. While the meatballs are baking, we are going to make our own pasta sauce. And trust me, it's super, super easy. We're gonna start with some avocado oil, put it on the bottom of a pot. Like I have a small pot here. One big clove, and we have some garlic already in here, so I really just need one. Squeeze it in. We will use fresh basil. Oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. Seriously, like they just make everything feel so fresh and so yummy. And while this is slowly sizzling up, you can start smelling the garlic. We're gonna open this imported San Marzano tomatoes from Italy. From Italy, da pomodoro. That's how you say tomatoes in Italian. And we are gonna slowly be very careful when you're putting this in here, because you don't want it to be spilling all over your clothes. I'm gonna put a tablespoon. This is how I measure a tablespoon of salt. Just put it in here. Adjust it again like to your liking. So we have 13 minutes on the timer with the meatballs. The pasta sauce is gonna cook while the meatballs are baking. Genius, I know. And while we're doing both of those things, we're like super multitasking, we're gonna make the pasta. I have water boiling on high, and we're gonna use this red lentil pasta. This is a rollatini, and I love this brand. Love, 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 Tolerant. It looks just regular pasta, and right now it looks a little more orange, but it will look yellow once it's cooked. And then it will take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook, so right in time for everything to be cooked together. If you are nervous about using just the red lentil pasta and you're like, oh my god, Alina, I like regular pasta, you want to ease into it, and you actually want to know why I'm using the lentil pasta, let me tell you. This has tons of protein. It's only one ingredient, lentils, so it's nothing else. It has 21 grams of protein per serving of 300 calories. Like, that is huge. And for those 300 calories, the 21 grams of protein, you get 11 grams of fiber. Amazing. And like 1 gram of fat. I mean, this is like the genius food. You get your protein and your yumminess and it tastes like pasta. If you want to slow down and ease into it, I recommend trying Trader Joe's lentil, brown rice, and yellow lentil pasta. While the pasta is making, I'm gonna go exercise. I'm gonna bring Snoop Dogg and we're gonna dance. All right, we're almost done. We have the pasta going, it's already cooked. Now we're gonna see how the meatballs turned out. I just heard the timer, so it's time to rock and roll. Mamma mia! Guys, look at this. Oh my god, how cool is this? Oh my god, they smell AMAZEBALLS because they're meatballs and I'm a goofball. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the sauce on top of the pasta and the meatballs go right on top. Oh, Yum City! You guys gotta make this. Now, we're gonna accessorize a little bit with our Parmigiano. Oh, mamma mia, just look at this. Alright guys, I'm gonna dig in so y'all are jealous how good this is. Oh my god, try this. It's like a little fiesta in my mouth right now. Buon appetito. Please try this, make it for yourself, and I hope you enjoy it just as much as I do. And as always, accessorize it the way you love it, but this is molto molto bene. Alright, until later, ciao!